My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2020 Smart for 2. This vehicle has done just over 17,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a fully electric motor. On our steering wheel we have cruise control and voice control as features, and on our screen we can access multimedia, navigation, smartphone integration, vehicle, services and system. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with parking sensors, and just below our screen we have our AC. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.